Hi, I'm Alex, welcome to the channel and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video we're going to be talking about LCA and Golden Nugget, and specifically we're going to be looking at the bull case, ultimately what the best case scenario could be if every state that currently allows online sports betting was to also allow and legalise online casino gaming. Now in this video I'm going to talk through all the analysis of how we get to the share price. I'm going to talk a little bit about why this might not be as crazy as it first seems. I'm also going to touch on a couple of other things which I've not seen anyone else talk about. So if you're invested in LCA or you're thinking about investing in LCA or Golden Nugget, then you definitely want to stick around. If you're new to the channel and you like investing related content, then smash that subscribe button. Please also smash that like button if you like the video. It's so helpful in pushing the channel to a wider audience. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only, but that's especially important in this video given I am sharing some of my own analysis and some of the findings from that. And when I talk about potential stock prices, that's all a function of my own analysis. What that means is the numbers I've put in and the assumptions I've made all drive that figure. So always do your own due diligence. However, let's get straight into it. Now, if you're just here for the figure and you don't want to understand the rationale and why that might not be as crazy as it is, here it is. Spoiler alert, it's a share price of around $250. Yes, I know that's a crazy increase in price from where we currently are, but hear me out. I'll explain how I got to those numbers and why it may not be as crazy as it sounds. I should also caveat that this is absolutely a best case scenario. It's not something I believe is going to happen in the near term, so I just need to say that very clearly now. I'm not saying this is going to happen overnight. If it was to happen, it certainly is a very, very long-term prospect. So currently in the US, 5 states allow online casino gaming. However, 20 states in total allow online sports betting. And that's a massive opportunity. That's 15 more states that could legalise online casino gaming and could represent new markets Golden Nugget Online Gaming could expand into. Now, the first question everyone should be asking is, why are states likely to legalise online casino gaming? Well, those which have already taken the step to allow online sports betting is actually a pretty logical next step. Take New Jersey for an example. In October alone, New Jersey generated $14 million in tax revenues from online casino gaming. Online casino gaming in New Jersey is also taxed at a much higher rate. It's taxed at 15% versus the lower rate which physical casinos are taxed at. So states currently considering this debate of whether to legalise and allow online casino gaming can see that there's a clear financial rationale for them doing so. What's more, a lot of states are in difficult financial positions at this point in time. By legalising and taxing online casino gaming, it's a great way of generating a new stream of tax revenue, rather than having to increase tax rates on existing taxes. So again, there's quite a clear reason as to why a state might want to do this. So now we're going to look into the analysis a bit and try and understand how you get to that around $250 share price. So firstly, what we did is we mapped out the 20 states which currently allow online sports betting. We then listed out the populations that each of those states had. The next step was taking New Jersey's mature gaming market size. We then looked at this as a function of the population. Then, taking the population of each of those states versus New Jersey's, we calculated an implied market size using that same methodology. What that gives us is a potential mature gaming market size for each of those states. Next up, we assumed that, similarly to New Jersey, Golden Nugget achieves a 15% market share in each of those states. Yes, we're assuming Golden Nugget goes into each one of those states. Now, whether that 15% is reasonable or not, however, what we currently know is Golden Nugget has one of, if not the best, proposition for online casino gaming. It's hugely popular with customers, it has a great proposition, and it is differentiated. We know that management are very good at executing the strategy, and perhaps as those states open up, Golden Nugget could achieve some first mover status and achieve massive market share above that 15%. So there's even upside potential to that. However, for the sake of this, have kept it simple and just assumed 15% off across all those states. Yes, I know there's some slight flaws in this, however, this is just a best case scenario. When you sum all of these, it gives you an annual incremental revenue for Golden Nugget Gaming of close enough to $1.5 billion. When you apply the EV revenue multiple, which it should be trading at, that ultimately gives you an enterprise value of just under $10 billion. And on a per share basis, that gives you a share price of $255. So look, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you like investor related content, then subscribe to the channel. And as always, please let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. I find it so interesting to hear everyone's perspectives. Now again, before you all come at me in the comment section, this is an absolute best case, a bull case scenario. And it's not something that's going to happen overnight. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.